Xiaomi Pad 7 Seconds Pro 12.5 previewed before release with multiple new specifications confirmed. Xiaomi has taken the unusual decision to preview several of its forthcoming devices, despite committing to releasing them all before the month is out. In the process, the company has revealed countless details about its Pad 7 Seconds Pro 12.5, which is shaping up to be a true Apple iPad Pro competitor. With a floating keyboard accessory to match, Xiaomi has shared a bounty of new information about the Pad 7 Seconds Pro 12.5 ahead of its official release. Initially, it seemed that the tablet would receive a surprise launch. However, Xiaomi spent the best part of 3 hours discussing many of its upcoming devices, Pad 7 Seconds Pro 12.5 included. During that time, the company confirmed that the Pad 7 Seconds Pro 12.5 would be its second tablet to leverage its in-house Shring 01 chipset, after the Pad 7 Ultra did last month. While Xiaomi's latest 2.5-inch tablet will feature the same 120W charging capabilities as its 14-inch sibling, its battery capacity will drop from 12,000 mAh to 10,610 mAh. The Pad 7 Seconds Pro 12.5 will be thicker than the Pad 7 Ultra 2, at 5.8mm versus 5.1mm. However, its 576 gram stated weight makes the former only 5% lighter than the latter. Meanwhile, the 2.5-inch display itself will combine a 144Hz refresh rate with a 3.2000 resolution, available with an optional nano soft light finish too. The mid-size display will be intersected by a 32MP front-facing camera that Xiaomi complements with a 50MP rear-facing sensor. Moreover, the Pad 7 Seconds Pro will line up with a choice between purple, black, Cambrian gray, and titanium color options. Xiaomi suggests that the tablet will be sold with an accessory akin to Apple's Magic Keyboard accessory for its iPad Air and iPad Pro Curve. $929 renewed on Amazon tablets as well. Unfortunately, it still remains unclear when either Xiaomi's keyboard accessory or the Pad 7 Seconds Pro 12.5 will be available at this stage.